case number 26905, People of the Philippines versus former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada. The dispositive portion of the decision reads, wherefore, judgment is hereby rendered in criminal case number 26905, finding the accused former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada not guilty of the crime of perjury defined in and penalized by Article 183 of the Revised Penal Code, and he is hereby acquitted. Accordingly, the whole departure order dated February 4, 2002, issued by the court against accused former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada is hereby recalled and rendered functus officio. So ordered. Criminal case number 26558 for plunder. The dispositive portion of the decision reads, wherefore, in view of all the foregoing, judgment is hereby rendered in criminal case number 26558, finding the accused, former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada, guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of plunder defined in and penalized by Republic Act number 7080 as amended. On the other hand, for failure of the prosecution to prove and establish their guilt beyond reasonable doubt, the court finds the accused Jose Jinggoy Estrada and attorney Edward Serapio not guilty of the crime of plunder, and accordingly the court hereby orders their acquittal. The penalty imposable for the crime of plunder under Republic Act number 7080, as amended by Republic Act 7659, is reclusion perpetua to death. There being no aggravating or mitigating circumstances, however, the lesser penalty shall be applied in accordance with Article 63 of the Revised Penal Code. Accordingly, accused former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada is hereby sentenced to suffer the penalty of reclusion perpetua and the accessory penalties of civil interdiction during the period of sentence and perpetual absolute disqualification. The period within which accused former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada has been under detention shall be credited to him in full as long as he agrees voluntarily in writing to abide by the same disciplinary rules imposed upon convicted prisoners. Moreover, in accordance with Section 2 of Republic Act number 7080, as amended by Republic Act 7659, the court hereby declares the forfeiture in favor of the government of the following. 1. The total amount of 542,701,000 pesos with interest and income earned, inclusive of the amount of 200 million pesos deposited in the name and account of the Arab Muslim Youth Foundation. 2. The amount of 189 million pesos, inclusive of interest and income earned, deposited in the Jose Velarde account. 3. The real property consisting of a house and lot dubbed as the Boracay Mansion, located at number 100, 11th Street, New Manila, Quezon City. The cash bonds posted by accused Jose Jinggoy Estrada and attorney Edward Serapio are hereby ordered cancelled and released to the said accused or their duly authorized representatives upon presentation of the original receipt evidencing payment thereof and subject to the usual accounting and auditing procedures. Likewise, the whole departure orders issued against the said accused are hereby recalled and declared functus officio. So ordered.